to our channel. Are you looking on how to replace a battery on your fourth key? You're in the right place, because in this video we're going to show you step by step on how to do it easy by yourself. And if at the end of this video you find it useful, please subscribe.
Alright guys, we're going to change a battery on a remote head key for Ford. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, a 2032 battery. So all you need to do is, if you see this gap here, you have a place to put a screwdriver. So you just click it out. After you open the remote, you just take this little board out, and then you can see the battery in the back. Just make sure, if you see there is a chip here, you want to make sure that this chip will not fall off, because if it will fall off, you will not be able to start your car anymore. Now we're going to take the flathead and we're going to push the battery outside. And then we're going to take the new one and just slide it back in. Okay. And then we're going to put this one back here, and we're going to flip over the cover on it. Just like that. That's it.